Hey Bill, I was gonna look for some different social icons for you, so I thought I'd just do a video, show you how I hack through some photo editing. This I think will help you create something new for the text logo for the farm site. So I just Googled social icons fun because otherwise they're kind of boring. Um, I'll pick something kind of general, but this is how you can go find something that might be more unique. You know, maybe something like this, but I'm not sure what you like. So if you liked something like this, you could go visit the page and do the download. Otherwise, I'm going to pick something kind of, I'm just going to call it standard. Um, for your site. There's millions. There's tons of them that are free too. Um, I don't think the farm is a scribble style. I'm just going to pick these square ones. So I've got that image. Let's see, we've got Facebook, Twitter. It doesn't have YouTube, but I'm going to just go check. Here, I'll take this circle. YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn. I don't see Instagram, but is that the orange one? Anyway, I'm just going to grab this. Then I got to find the image. Here's the image. So I'm going to right click and save that image. Just going to save it here. Then what I do is I go over to Pixlr. It's pixlr.com. So I'm going to open up the image that I just saved. There it is right there. Okay, so I've got all the icons together. Over here I'm going to unlock this layer, and I'm going to use this icon tool to grab Facebook. So I'm going to grab that like this. I'm going to go edit, copy. I'm going to open up a new square for that. I'm going to make it transparent, and then I'm going to paste it in here. Then what I'm going to do, just in case we want to use this on a colored background, it's got a gradient hue, which is kind of a hassle. So what I did is I just used this magic wand and I selected the background. So there might be some gray in there still, but right now I'm just going to save it. So I'm going to go File, save it as, I'm going to call it Blue Ash Facebook. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it in this folder. Okay, then I'm gonna grab the Pinterest icon. I'm gonna edit, copy. I'm gonna put it in here so that everything is the same size. Paste. See it, put it right on top of there. So these layers are selected so I can see them. I'm going to save it as, oh here, let's take out the background. So I'm going to hit this magic wand. It's going to select all the white and remove it. So I'm going to make sure that nothing else shows up. I'm going to save this layer, but it'll save as just the Pinterest. Okay? Save that in the folder. Now I'm going to go back to the large image. I'm going to grab Twitter, copy, click on this, and paste. Okay, now I've only got this layer selected. I'm going to grab that magic wand, select the white, hit delete, and then save this as Twitter. Okay, and save it in the folder. And then I'm going to go grab YouTube, edit, copy, and edit, paste. Uncheck the blue layer, magic wand, grab the white, and hit delete. Oops. Okay, then I'm going to save this. Save it as Blue Ash YouTube. Put it in the folder. I don't think you need your LinkedIn. Anyway, so now we've got 4 icons set, and the sizes are, let's see, 129. I'm going to show you how to reduce those. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the nice, clean, new images that we just made. Okay, so I'm going to go to image size, and let's say I want to make it like 70. It'll do the width and the height together. So I'm just going to hit OK. But now I got to save it, and I'm going to just call it 70, just so I've got a backup. Okay. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. Oh, dang it. You know what I did? I didn't save these as a PNG. Okay, these are saved as JPEGs with the white background. I'm just going to show you real quick. Again, I messed up. If you wanted to save something with a clear background, we've got this selected. I'm going to edit, copy, go File, New. See, I'm going to do that again. File, New, make it transparent. Paste that in. Grab the magic wand and delete the background. Okay, and then what I forgot to do is save it as a PNG. Okay, YouTube PNG. I'm going to call it blue. Okay, so I messed up. But anyway, that's not too big of a deal right now. What I want to do is just make sure that we'll save the sizes. And we're going to just start with 70 width, and then save that as a 70 for Pinterest. I got that. Image size 70, and save it. Image size, change the width to 70, and save it again. Okay, and save. Okay, now what I'm going to do is walk through how to put those in to the sidebar. Okay, so what I do, because WordPress creates your HTML, I'm just going to use, you could use posts or a page, but I'm just going to call it widget draft social. Doesn't matter what you call it. And so I'm going to go grab those images, and just to make sure we're getting the right thing, I'm going to put Facebook first and getting the 70. Okay, insert into post. And then what I do is I'm going to go, oh hey, here's a tip. You've got 32 people that like this. I think when you get 34, you can edit your Facebook URL and you can edit it so it's just Blue Ash Farm, and you can delete this code at the end. Doesn't really make a big deal. It's just one of those little things. But anyway, so now I go here, there's the image. I'm going to edit that, or I'm going to just click on the link here. And now I put in the URL for Facebook, and I'm going to say open that in a new tab, update. Okay, then I'm going to add, what should we add next? Twitter. And there's your Twitter link. Okay, so I got that selected. Insert this into post. Oh, it went in front. Right now, this image link URL is the name of the picture. So we put that in there. And then we'll add the YouTube. And I'll go get that URL later. And then we're adding Pinterest. Okay. So if I wanted, then we would save the draft. Okay. Then we grab the code. I'm going to highlight and then copy that. I have another tab open. So I'm just going to go over here to Widgets. And I'm going to, instead of delete what I've got going, I'm just going to add another text bar, text widget, technically. Paste in that code. I'm going to call it New Social, just to see what it looks like. Save that. I've got two sidebars in here. Was having some issues with things showing up. So let's see if that works. And it doesn't. So I've got this one that I'm going to put in. Okay, there we go. So those images are a little too wide for the sidebar. So what I'm going to do separately, not going to make you watch me, is reduce the image size. We made it 70, so I'm going to turn these down to 60 and then put in the links. But that's how you can go do your editing and adding code. You can do this for multiple types of images. It doesn't just have to be social icons. So I hope that helps. That was kind of a long video. Call me if you have any problems.